In this video, we'll take a look at the essay question type. So from our question type dropdown, we'll select essay. And the essay question type is kind of like an open-ended question type where the student enters some text into a text area. And then usually you have to manually grade these types of questions. So maybe we'll go down to our question text and type something simple in, like describe constant rate of change. Pretty vague, but we'll go ahead and save this and preview it. And then over in our question preview, we get our text there. And then our answer box is actually this big text area. It's actually kind of overflowing off of my small screen there. So the student gets like a text area there. They can type some stuff in here. And by default, it's just a basic HTML text area. So we see that this text area is kind of overflowing off of our screen. If we want to change the size of this, we can use a variable called answer box size. And then we can indicate how many rows and columns we want. So maybe we want 3 rows and, 15 columns. We'll save that in preview. And now we see we've got a much smaller text area. So you've got some control over the size of that text area using the answer box size. Now, like I said, when a student submits their work, they're going to get 0% on this question until an instructor goes in and manually grades the question. So the student's going to see like 0 out of 1 points. If you want to override that behavior, we can set a variable score method and set that to take anything. If we set score method equal to take anything, now whatever the student enters in, so long as they enter something in, they're going to get correct feedback. It's going to tell them their answer is correct even if they type in gibberish. So it's up to you what you want to do there. Usually if you're going to use an essay question type, you're going to have to do some manual grading, so you probably won't do the take anything option. But you've got that option if you want it. Now another really nice option here is if we set the variable display format to editor, we save that, it's going to give us the nice little visual editor that we as instructors get. So the students get kind of like a limited version of this visual editor, which is really nice. So then they have some formatting options. They can link images and stuff in, enter some math, things of that nature. And then you get to see the nice formatting on your end as an instructor when you grade it. So display format equals editor just gives a nice little editor.